Hey everybody, this is David with Jupi Outdoors, and tonight what we have for you on the Blackstone Griddle is going to be a couple of filet mignon. So we see a lot of people asking questions when it comes to the Blackstone about whether or not you can cook a steak on the griddle. So we're going to show you tonight that you can cook a steak. You can even cook a really big thick steak like this, and it's going to turn out perfect and delicious every single time. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got our griddle on about medium heat. I've had these steaks sitting out at room temperature for about 40 minutes so that they've started to come up to temperature a little bit. What you don't want to do is put an ice cold steak on the griddle. You're going to end up with an outside that's really done and the middle just isn't going to get where you need it. So I've got some garlic, salt, and pepper. You don't really need to do a whole lot with them. Coated them in olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, and they're going to be ready to go on the griddle. We're going to have two different steaks. One's going to be done about medium, and one's going to be done about medium well. So I'm going to put the one that's going to be medium well on first. We're going to sear it on all sides, and then we'll let it continue to cook, and then we'll put the one that's going to be done medium on a little bit, a few minutes after that, so that they get done about the same time. Alright, so what you want to do is, I've got this steak on, we're going to sear it for about 45 seconds to 1 minute, and then we're going to flip it. Oh yeah. We're going to sear it for about a minute on that side, and then we're going to pick it up and sear all the way around the edge. Alright, now we've got that one a head start. It's been seared on all sides. We'll go ahead and put on our next steak. And do the same thing on that one. Now you're going to find certain areas of your grill that are hotter than others. So what I've done is I've moved this one back to an area of the grill that's not quite as hot, so that'll keep the outside from burning on us and still allow the meat to cook. Alright, now once we have the steaks nice and seared and they really started to cook good, we're going to put some butter on top of them, and then we're going to actually cover them up with a pot to help them finish cooking a little bit. So we're going to put some butter on top. We're going to scoot them together, nice and tight. Now they make a hood that you can put over the top that'll do the same thing. But I don't have a hood, so we're just going to use a pot. We're just going to cover them up. And that's going to help trap some of that heat in there and help to get a good overall cook on your steaks. Alright, let's take our pot off. So what we've done is we've flipped these a couple times just to keep one side from getting too burnt. And then you want them to cook kind of even. So see what we got. That one feels pretty close. What you're looking for when you push on them So a medium well is going to have a little resistance when you push into it. It's not going to be hard, but it's going to feel pretty firm, almost like you're pushing on this part of your arm, like right there on your wrist. If you push on your wrist and you push on this, that's going to be about where a medium well is going to be. If you push on this part of your hand and this part of the steak, that's going to be a medium. It's going to be a little softer, and it's going to feel a lot like this part of your hand right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these off. I'm going to put them on our tray. We're going to cover them in foil and let them rest. They're going to continue to cook just a little bit while they rest, and then we'll cook our sides, and then we'll cut these open and see how they look.